While it's often better to be honest about your feelings, there are times when you have to put on a cheerful face even if you don't feel it. One of the easiest ways to fake being happy is to smile. Practice smiling with your eyes, not just your mouth, since this will make your smile look and feel more sincere. At the same time, use open, confident body language. Keep your head up and your shoulders back, and make eye contact. Avoid closed off postures like folding your arms, crossing your legs, or looking down a lot. If you're feeling really stressed, practice doing deep breathing exercises to help you relax and calm down in the moment. For example, try counting to 4 as you breathe in, then counting to 4 again as you breathe out. Practicing positive self talk can also help steer you away from negative thought patterns when you're feeling down. If you find yourself thinking something negative or upsetting, try gently redirecting your mind to something more positive or realistic. For example, I'm feeling awful right now, but it won't last forever. Once this is over, I get to go home and relax.